Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how you can increase the stopping power of your front brake caliper on the Suzuki VS1400 using a 6-pot Tokico brake caliper. Let's get into it. So in order to be able to fit this Tokico brake caliper to these forks, we need to make sure that we've got something in place. You can see the two mounting points of the 6-pot are actually a lot wider than that of the original fork. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to remove these two bolts. Okay, ladies and gents, so once we've removed the stock brake caliper from the front, put that to one side, we can go ahead and take a look at mounting the Tokico to the front fork. As you can see, this is not a plug and play situation. We can't just go and bolt this onto the fork because it's not going to fit. So what we need to do is make up for the distance on the new caliper. So the way you would make up for that distance, the additional sort of centimetre, 1.5 centimetres, is you go and buy yourself one of these. This is a front brake caliper adapter specifically designed for the VS1400, specifically designed for this Tokico brake system on the stock forks. This is made by Winters Machining. Quick shout out to them. Thank you very much, Ryan and the guys at Winters Machining, for donating this to the channel. Really appreciate it, and I'm sure the viewers do as well, so thank you again for supporting the channel. So to install this front brake caliper adapter, it's so simple. You could do it in your sleep, honestly. You've got two holes, one of them is threaded, one of them is not. And this is the orientation that we want the brake caliper adapter to be in once it is mounted. So this almost keyhole section facing towards you, facing this direction. The threaded side, we're going to sit behind the top mounting point on the fork. Go ahead and take one of our original brake caliper bolts. And I'm just going to blip that down. Not going to torque it though, because I need to be able to move it. Next, I can take my 6-pot. Make sure that the brake is able to be slid onto the disc, which it is. And I'm going to move the brake adapter up and move the caliper around into position. I'm then going to fit the bottom bolt on the fork. Again, I'm not going to torque it all the way down because I need to be able to move things around a little bit, like so. And then you can take the new bolt that Ryan includes with every package with these adapters, and we can go ahead and install that in the top hole on the adapter. The stopping power that you will get with this is day and night in comparison to the stock brake caliper that comes with these bikes. Obviously, you're going to need to remove the brake line and install it onto the brake line. You can see the nipple. This will change the stopping performance of your bike tenfold. These are the calipers that are used on bikes that are a lot quicker than ours and rely on their front brakes a lot more than our cruisers. So definitely worth considering. Don't forget, ladies and gents, that if you do make this modification, you will need to bleed the brake system. You can do that by clicking on this video right here. That will walk you through the process. Or if you want to see more teardown videos and rebuild videos, you can click on this playlist down here and follow along with the rest of the VS1400 project. For now, thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves and I'll see you soon.